Hello, Maverick Traders, and welcome out to your daily market roundup. This is Ankit here, and here we are wrapping up the day on a Thursday, May the 21st. So let's get into it. As always, we're going to do a top-down analysis, look at broader markets first, take a look at what's happening in the sector heat map, and then we'll talk about some setups. So let's get into it.
Disclaimer. This video was created for professional stock and option traders. Maverick Trading is a proprietary trading firm that employs professional traders around the world. Our traders trade firm capital and keep 70 to 80% of profits they generate. All trades and analysis in this video are for professional traders only. If you are interested in becoming a professional trader for Maverick, click the apply button in the video description. Let's break down what happened today.
As we jump into the market analysis here, well, let's just take a look at the headlines and the numbers today. And I must say, if you're looking at the numbers today, it was positive across the board. Here we are with the Dow Jones and RSP, and Qs were kind of lagging, but then small caps did the best. Overall, decent day, but we definitely had a bit of an intraday reversal. So looking at the daily news today, we had the market that kind of rallied on this news that Iran US deal is in final stages. Again, nothing has really finalized, so I still find it amazing that market's still moving on this news where we just kind of have seen the same thing happening over and over. So we'll find out what really happens and if there's last minute changes, or we'll find out if how this market react to it. But overall, as you can see, market continues to buy the dips. Now, yields and the oil market did pull back on the news as well. And again, that's really where we had that intraday reversal. Now, when we take a look at the advanced decline ratio, must say that we are seeing improvement in the market breadth. We went from 46%, in the green to now 54% in the green. So overall, definitely getting a little bit better here. Still not seeing as broad of a rally. We're still just holding on to a lot of those gains that we saw in the markets. Here we are with the RSP. You can see that we haven't really broken out yet, but at the same time, if you just look at the pattern here, we're still in this little high base formation. Now, when you look at the other areas like the Qs that has been running quite a bit on this semiconductor rally, now that's still not really giving up the gains yet. So we're just taking a little break here. Markets are in consolidation phase, and we'll find out if the market has more of a reason to break out, or does it stay sideways. Now, looking at the market heat map here, as you can see, pretty much mixed bag across the board, pockets of strength and pockets of weakness. So we really have to kind of wait and see what this Iran deal, and once this kind of things go out of the way and we get a bit of a normal market environment, perhaps we could see some sector rotation there. But so far, they're kind of doing the same boat here. Now, when I take a look at the market outlook here, like I said, it's still consolidation phase. We had this epic run after bottoming it out. I think we could see a bit of a base over here. So looking at the outlook here and looking at potential trades, I got a couple of ones here. Here's the first one. That's Cisco. After a big gap on earnings, just going sideways here. Nice day today, so looking for a breakout here. And on the weaker end, I got Deere and Deere company, and you can see that we did break below the support. We did get a nice move down on this earnings, and the price action actually was already weak. So I do expect this to kind of continue on this pullback here. Now, looking at more of the opportunities, like I said, I'd rather just keep the powder dry and really start to see all the other moving parts of this markets come together, because we still have this geopolitical concern. We still have this, situation where we need to see oil come down more. We need to see the yields come down more. But until we see a substantial move or a consistent move there, we just have to continue keeping a close eye on this geopolitical concern. But outside of that, broader markets in a consolidation phase. I think waiting for sector rotation, looking for other things to catch up, I think would be a decent call here. But for that, again, just keep on the powder dry and accelerate when market really start to move in your direction. Now, not a whole lot on the economic front, not a whole lot on the earnings front. This is going to be the long weekend, because so we just have to kind of account for a holiday shortened week next week. So just till then, just keep managing, keep adjusting your portfolio based on the developments in the markets. Thanks everyone for joining here. See you the next one. Happy trading.